Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to teach you how to track stock prices in Google Sheets in just a few steps. So let's get started. Okay, guys, if you want to know the stock prices of any brands, like let's say for example Google, the YouTube, or any brands that you wanted to know its stock prices. Okay, so here I've opened a blank page and I will show you an example here. So let's say I want to know about the stock prices of Google brand. So from December 1 to December 5, 2025. Okay, all we need to do is to type this formula. Okay, Google Finance. Okay, Google Finance, open parentheses, though the its ticker symbol is NASAD. NASAD. Okay. Nas. Okay. NASDAQ. Okay, and after that, you just type that one. Next, you wanna know its price, right? Okay, type price. So what date? So okay, so let's start with December. December 1 to December 2025, December 5. Okay, so how are you wanna know its prices? So let's say daily. Okay, daily, and just tap enter. Okay, here we go, guys. So it will show you its stock prices. So from December 1, December 2, December 3, December 4, and December 5. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoy and learn from this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials in Google Sheets. Thank you.